Mid-infrared light opens the door to incredible possibilities, from detecting greenhouse gases to monitoring chemical reactions in factories, identifying diseases through breath or body fluid analysis, and even enabling faster and more secure communications. High-performance devices are costly and complex to integrate, while simpler designs suffer from noise and slow response times, hindering universal adoption. But a recent innovation from scientists from TU Wien might change that. We created a silicone-based detector that uses plasmonic effects and quantum tunneling to sense infrared light efficiently, even at room temperature. Because the device is built from silicone and aluminum, two of the world's most abundant elements on Earth, it's naturally suited for mass production and scalable chip integration. At its core is an atomically engineered interface that allows for the electrical tuning of the detection wavelength, enabling sensors to adapt to specific target applications. Because our detectors are based on silicone and CMOS-Compatible fabrication processes, they can be easily integrated into existing chips and large-scale production lines. As the world moves toward integrated mid-infrared sensing, this breakthrough offers a compact, scalable, and cost-effective solution for next-generation sensors, ready to transform environmental monitoring, industrial control, medical diagnostics, and telecommunications.